Today's Kim's adventure, we're crossing state lines over to Texas, and our first stop is to the city of Goodnight. On this episode, I'll give an inside look at this ranch, completely from the outside, and a tour of this interesting leather shop we were forced to go into. By the way, if you could take the time to smash that like button, it would really help out the channel. So let's get started. We drove into Texas and made a restroom break at Amarillo. Luckily, the air didn't smell like a toilet, like the last time when we were here. The weather was nice and we were about an hour away from Goodnight. The reason for the visit was to check out the Goodnight Ranch, which is a state historic site. Closed on Sunday. Almost everything is closed on Sunday. Historical Center is open Tuesday through Saturday from 10 to 5. It's the Visitor Center parking. Charles Goodnight and his business partner John Adair established the first cattle ranch in the Texas Panhandle in 1877. They built the spacious Victorian-style two-story ranch house, which has been fully restored. It features a 268 square foot second floor sleeping porch with a spectacular view of the countryside. It's listed on Zillow for only $545,000. Just kidding. You can also have guided tours at 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. Admission is $4 for adults, $3 for seniors, and children under 5 is free. While you're in the area, go stop on by the J. Evetts Haley Visitor and Education Center. It offers exhibits about the Goodnights, bison, and the settlement of the area. Because we were pretty much locked out, we decided to check out the nearby Herdwear retail store. Mr. Goodnights. Oh, that was their name, Goodnight. That's why they call the town Goodnight. Mr. Goodnight's first barbecue, grill, and smoker. Yes. Oh, look at young bison horn caps. So you can buy random things. Wow, a lot of things here. There's a Mike Bison. Oh, these are coppers. Oh, maybe I'll get a copper. Oh yeah, because the buffalo. That's right. A lot of bison artwork.
Bison can kill someone?
Yeah, they can kill you if you're not careful. And they got some knives.
But what about if he pets?
Oh, there's a sword there too.
Sword?
Yeah,
A rifle.
an old rifle. Mammoth tusk. Let me see how much their hats are. Are they made out of buffalo? Let's see.
Sticks.
Buffalo hat. Hey, that's a good look on me. Oh, yeah, that's buffalo. So I guess a lot of these are made with buffalo.
Is that a buffalo?
Yeah.
Buffalo.
Buffalo skulls? Look how big they are. Feel it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Just press it down and you don't know. Is it?
They got big skulls, don't they?
They're real.
And I got myself some kippered bison. So we'll see how those taste. Well, that was pretty uneventful, but at least I scored some delicious kipper.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.